years of complaints. 2 years of demolition orders. 2 years of ignored warnings. And then one major disaster. What emerges is a trail of official letters, show cause notices, safety violations, and a paper trail proving that authorities knew this club was illegal but let it function till tragedy struck. According to official records accessed by NDTV, the nightclub stood on salt pan and agricultural low-lying wetlands where commercial construction is prohibited. The first major warning came on 18 December 2023, which flagged sewage being dumped into the river flowing into the sea, and that an unstable discotheque structure built inside the water body likely to collapse. Demolition notice, viewers, it was issued on 20 April 2024, just about approximately an year back. Simultaneously, site inspection was carried out. It was found that you have carried out unauthorized construction of shops, restaurants, is in alleged salt pan located area of so and so village. So it also mentions that how these constructions have been carried out in a salt pan area, and then it mentions that how it on 15/2/2024 a notice was issued to you and a time limit of 15 days was granted, and now they are hence issuing a demolition order to Mr. Surendra Kumar Khosla. He is the the second owner, we can say, of this entire land, because this entire property was being used by Luthra brothers. Following repeated complaints, the Panchayat initiated action, but it remained only on paper. NDTV has accessed the site inspection notice dated 3 January 2024, issued by the village Panchayat Arpora Nagoa. The inspection red flagged no approvals or licenses shown by the owner. 4 decks built on water and illegally converted land. This was a full-blown illegal township built on protected wetlands, and every authority knew it. 130 pages documents that NDTV has exclusively accessed highlights the fact that how the norms were flouted, the illegal construction was done, the land that belonged, that originally was supposed to be used for agriculture, was a salt pan. On that, a construction was done, and hence the manner in which it was built was also completely illegal. So that's the proof, that's the evidence, but question remains that why the action was not taken on time, and if the action would have been taken on time, all those 25 individuals who lost their lives would have been alive, and these Luthra brothers who are on run would have been behind the bars. This wasn't a tragedy caused by an accident. It was a tragedy caused by 2 years of ignored warnings, illegal construction, and a system that looked the other way, ultimately claiming the lives of 25 innocents. With Techri Purandare, Bureau Report, NDTV.